Hi guys, my name is Andrew and today we're going to be doing some updates. Here are the Whopper tomatoes. All of them are doing pretty good, but this guy's going to be the winner. And he already is. Because you can tell the size difference. Because if I want this guy to be the same size, I got to lift them up like that. So this guy's gonna be the first one to be potted in a 5-gallon pot. But this is just the first thing that we're gonna be talking about. Now, everyone be silent for the moment you've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Our Lowe Spirita. So over here we got some awesome new leaves. You can get so cute. We got some new leaves starting from the buds. And over here, we're just gonna cut off because it didn't do that good. And we're going to fertilize it. And the reason we didn't do it last time when I put this into the bigger pot is because, like I said, it needs time to settle into its new home. And it did. Because look at that, it's so cute. Look at this new growth, new growth, new growth, new growth. New growth, new growth, new growth, new growth. So much new growth. This is our triple 14 fertilizer. So we're going to be using a quarter teaspoon of this stuff for our tomatoes. Just gonna move them over here. And now the spirita. So I'm just going to fill this up about halfway. This fertilizer will feed it for 4 months. So now we're going to use some rice hulls. Rice hulls help with stopping all of the weeds from getting out, because the rice hulls keep all of the moisture in. Move that for now, so we got some space. That seems good. Just there we go. I'm done. So that's just the stuff I wanted to check up on. And that's all we got for today. Hopefully later we can see you again soon. If you have any questions, just tell me them down in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Okay guys, it's me, Andrew, we're back, and today we're just here in my house, chilling with my mama and my dada.